Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the Toyota Supra. Let's begin by sketching the fundamental shapes that form the car's foundation. Think of the main body as a long rectangle and the cabin as another, smaller rectangle on top. Use light pencil strokes to establish the car's overall length and width, ensuring good proportions from the start. These initial guidelines are crucial for maintaining symmetry as you progress. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into the distinctive body of the Toyota Supra. Gently curve the lines to capture its sleek, aerodynamic form. Next, add the key features: the rounded headlights, the smooth window outlines, and the prominent rear spoiler. Don't forget to define the wheel wells, giving them a rounded bulge that complements the car's sporty stance. Moving on, focus on the wheels and tires. Draw them as circles, paying close attention to their placement and perspective to make them look grounded. Then, incorporate smaller details such as the door handles and side mirrors, ensuring they align with the car's overall design. Once you are satisfied with all the elements, carefully darken your final lines and erase any faint sketch marks, making your Supra drawing crisp and clean. To bring your Toyota Supra to life, it's time for shading and highlights. Use varying pressure with your pencil to create darker areas for shadows and lighter tones for surfaces facing the light source, giving your drawing a three-dimensional effect. Add sharp, bright highlights to mimic reflections on the car's glossy paint and windows. Finally, consider adding some practical items to your daily routine. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.